Are you a beginner guitarist looking to dive into the captivating world of blues music? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you on a transformative journey from being a novice player to becoming a blues maestro. Whether you're intrigued by the soulful melodies or eager to emulate legendary artists like B.B. King and Stevie Ray Vaughan, this step-by-step guide will equip you with everything you need to know. Understanding the basics. Before diving into any genre, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in guitar playing. Start by familiarizing yourself with essential chords such as A, E, G, D, and C. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly and efficiently. Developing fingerstyle technique. Blues music heavily relies on fingerpicking techniques that add depth and emotion to your playing style. Begin by practicing simple fingerpicking exercises focusing on individual strings before progressing onto more complex patterns. Learning essential scales. Scales are fundamental building blocks for improvisation and soloing in blues music. The pentatonic scale is particularly important in this genre due to its distinct sound and versatility across different keys. Practice scales regularly using various positions along the fretboard. Embracing rhythm. The rhythm is at the heart of blues music. It sets the mood and groove of each song. Experiment with different strumming patterns such as shuffle rhythms or syncopated accents that emphasize certain beats within each measure. Studying influential blues artists. Immerse yourself in the works of influential blues artists who have shaped this genre over decades. B.B. King, Muddy Waters, Robert Johnson, just to name a few examples among many others. Analyze their techniques, phrasing styles, note choices, vibrato, and bends. Listen to their recordings and try to replicate their playing. Mastering the 12-bar blues progression. The 12 bars blues progression is a staple in this genre and serves as a foundation for countless blues songs. Familiarize yourself with its structure, IV versus chord progression, and practice playing it in different keys. Experiment with variations like minor blues or jazzier approaches. Improvisation techniques. Improvisation is an essential skill for any aspiring blues guitarist. Start by using the pentatonic scale to create simple melodic phrases over backing tracks or jamming with other musicians. Gradually incorporate bending, sliding, vibrato, and call and response techniques into your improvisations. Ear training. Developing your ear is crucial for understanding the nuances of blues music and being able to play by ear as well as improvise freely along with other musicians. Train your ears through active listening exercises, transcribing solos from your favorite artists, and practicing interval recognition. Jamming with others. Playing alongside fellow musicians not only enhances your skills but also exposes you to different styles within the genre itself. Seek out opportunities to join jam sessions or form a band where you can collaborate creatively while honing your skills together. Recording your own music. Once you've gained confidence in playing the guitar within the blues genre, consider recording your own music. Use affordable home recording equipment or take advantage of digital audio workstations, DAWs, that allow you to experiment with various effects and layer multiple guitar parts. Conclusion. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey from beginner guitarist to becoming a true maestro of the blues. By following this step-by-step guide, you have equipped yourself with essential techniques such as fingerstyle playing, scales mastery, rhythm development, improvisation skills, all crucial elements that make up the soulful world of blues music. Remember that mastering the guitar in the blues genre is a lifelong pursuit. Continue to explore new artists, experiment with different styles, and most importantly, let your passion for this music guide you. With dedication and practice, you will soon find yourself creating your own signature sound within the rich tapestry of blues music.